Hi everyone, today I am going to take you through the ZenTRACK Power. This is the device, how it actually looks like. This is the cover in which it comes in, and it includes the double side tape in case we need to use it, and it comes with the harness as well. So this is very compatible device. So this is the harness which we are going to use for the installation. Let me take this. So in this we are going to use 3 wires which are basically red, black and orange. Red is constant power, 12 volt or 24 volt. Black is for ground, negative, and orange is for accessories, ignition. So let me show you how to insert the SIM card in this tracker. If you see, there is one port over here. You have to open the rubber cover. As you can see, there are 2 slots. One is for the SIM card and one is micro USB, which is basically we use it for the configuration of the device. Once you insert the SIM card in this one, just press it and make sure that this is properly intact. And once you connect the device with the vehicle, you will see light status on this side of the device. As you can see, there are 2 markings. One is for satellite and one is for cell connectivity. You will see the red lights on this side of the device.